What's up guys, and welcome to another video. So today I'm gonna take you along as I tint. I think we just have one removal today. Today's a Thursday, it's usually our slower day of the week, and yeah, we're gonna be doing a removal today. So thought I'd bring you guys along, vlog the experience, and teach you guys something. If you guys already know how to tint, then maybe there's not much to teach you. So hopefully it's just some cool educational advice. Let's get the day started. So we're gonna get on our way. It is actually April 2nd already, which is insane that this year is going by that fast. We're finally through the winter. And yeah guys, lots of changes happening this year as far as like lifestyle. Got a new son, my son got a son, and the shop is doing really well. We hit 300 reviews 2 days ago, so that's really cool. Our distribution is growing. Our Onyx dealer program is growing as well, but there's still so much to learn and so much to do in order for us to you know, grow this into a large, successful company. So we're about 8 years in now. As a, you know, since I started my first course when I, you know, went to tint school. It's just crazy to see the growth. We're currently at a property that we're actually selling, because this property is a serious investment of cash and literally too much maintenance. You know, it's a long story, but basically this house, I'm gonna save like $4,500 a month by just moving to a different location with a ton of amenities, way less stuff to maintain. I'm super excited because literally I spent 6 hours on the yard on Sunday, my only day off, and I barely made a dent. It's like a forest here. So also it would cost an exorbitant amount of money to remodel this house to something that we really want. So we're going to size down, wait till we could build a house, and I'm going to be using Dave Ramsey's advice, which I still truly believe in, that we will build a house one day exactly how we want it, but all cash, no loan. So that is my new beliefs. That's how we're gonna run the company. That's how we're gonna run everything that we're gonna run to keep everything secure, safe, and maybe with the sun now, that's what I'm thinking. But anyways, this is a tangent. Let's go to work. Okay guys, so right now we're gonna be doing a full removal on this entire Honda. This is not a normal job that we do. We usually don't take in removals. Unlike other shops like that try to scrape it from inside the car and take out all that, the panel and everything, we actually take out the entire glass. We have a mobile glass guy that comes, removes this for an additional fee, but we're able to actually access it. So this is all done. So let's go ahead and remove the tint, show you guys what it looks like when it's done. So the alternative, guys, is to remove this entire thing so we have access to the bottom, and it's really hard to get behind that tail light. So basically taking out the glass gives us room to scrape it. There's really no way to save these defrosters, guys. The only way is to literally replace the glass. So this is how it looks after scraping it, but the customer did not want to get a new glass, so that's all we can do in this situation. So we call Ron, he installs the glass, and does a good job. So
save you guys a lot of money.
Oh yeah. Alright guys, so we have completed this removal and install. We added what, 20% on the back, 5%, sorry, 20% on the front, 5% on the back. They added this tape here to make sure that nothing moves. Back glass is removed. This whole job just needs to be touched up. Obviously, what I recommend to the client is get a water stain removal. There's a lot of spots, a lot of water spots. So now we're gonna let it dry, and that's it guys. So this is how to remove and install film. And this is just a process that we do here. Turned out pretty good, guys. So now let's move on to the next thing. All right, guys, so before we end this video, I want to talk about our giveaway cards. This is giveaway 2. This is going to be given away sometime this year, 2026. Over here, we've got the Z. Now this one, if you're watching this today, which is tomorrow for us, this has 15 days left. as of today, 16th, but tomorrow will be 15th. This Z is all painted, being given away to one of our customers. You can get entries by buying window film or buying any of our digital passes or any of our merch on our website. So this right here, guys, is being given away in the next few weeks. Make sure to lock in your entries. There should be a live leaderboard in the next few days so you guys can actually see where you're at. And that's it, guys. The giveaway car, we're in April, so I'm excited to have a busy season, and who knows, maybe one day we'll give away a Lamborghini. But as of right now, it's a Z, a Bronco, and then we'll figure out what car number 3 is. If you guys have a comment of what you want car number 3 to be, put a comment below so we can know, get all your insights, see what kind of cars our subscribers want to actually and maybe win one day. So I'll see you guys in the next video.